In the heart of the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery.
Your journey begins now. Step forward.
Here I am, man of a star shadow, far too patient for my own good. We couldn't have much time. Now where did I hide those questy tails? Oh, don't worry about that. I mean, she is gorgeous, but never mind. Only that there is still brewing in the magic room. Listen to the glasses. Gently touch it and check the glasses. Just one tap. Aha! It appears you have quite the ability. Xanatar, the evil crime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep. This time with the dragon staff of our lord. He has aligned himself with the powerful red dragon, Seaborn, to remove the dragon ward barrier that prevents dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Rockery and Evelina, the leaders of your local harpers, must find the dragon staff and steal it back from him. They will be joining us shortly. Now, Lieutenant Toll, my friend, it's all we need. One more time, please. Marvelous. Your mission is clear. Find your harper leaders, take back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep, Huzzah! Brilliant. I'm right on time. Rockery and Evelina.
Who's ready for adventure with a dwarf? Yes, let's go, my wizard friend. Who said that? I said to keep this way, come along.
Little quest leader.
Right into Waterdeep. Wizards, clerics. Wizards, stay wise. Clerics, stay clever. Help us find the rod of absorption. Yes. Don't forget anymore. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Search the rooms and find it. Rod of absorption. Rod of castle on top. Evie, any luck finding the rod of absorption?
I don't see it anywhere, Rockery.
Can't depower the dragon staff. Of course, you stole Ditto's tracker, didn't you?
He threw it out. That's juice that can wake the dead.
Oh, wait, the dead juice sounds delicious. Listen up, Harpers. Xanathar on that poster. On that guy's a very vain and insecure diva.
Sounds familiar.
When we find it, we might need your help insulting him with a vicious mockery spell. Watch and learn.
I need help prying this open.
Master is at work. Xanathar, you are an ugly, one-eyed, stinky fish father. Now you try. Insult him. Anything. Give him a dirty look. Talk about his kids.
You need chapstick, bro.
Mortals, the Dragon Ward no longer protects your city. Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now be mine.
Look out! wizards, clerics, you follow me. I totally know where if only there was a sign that said the right way.
Oh,
This way,
yeah.
yes. Right. Come with me. Into the tunnel of exposition. Searching for clues. Yes? Stay away from the S words. Oh, have a nice day, sir. Yes.
Get out of here.
Oh, you needed, didn't it? You didn't really keep that stick, did you?
I think it's the blood of lightning bolts.
You're not keeping that too, are you?
No. I think this is a puzzle, and if we unlock it and solve it, I think doors open. I must have a better plan.
I have a better plan. Clerics, wizards, how about some dancing lights? Come on. Ah, bardic inspiration. Look, useless trinkets. Edie, stay calm.
Oh, what, Doc? The doors! I think Xandar is nearby!
Fighters, take a look around the room, see if you already see any scary monsters, yes? Take a look, yes? I'm ready with surprises. It's time for Underway! Pretty good, huh? Why is this
Everyone shut up and colors you see! My robe! Help
colors?
us!
I like you. Color block.
My robe! Help
White.
What
Also
color is it?
white.
Green?
That's sort of
Green?
red. What color?
Green?
Aha! I told you did it. I'm the best dwarf alive. You said it last night. Tiptoe. Quiet. When I say quiet, not like this.
Okay, quiet!
Yes, like that. Quiet.
Say no.
Oh, look, another tunnel. Come on! Should be well hidden and very difficult to find. Yes, something very
Be careful! Do not
I'll be out that second run. Stay away from his friend. He's here. Xanathar, down behind you.
Disintegrate! Xanathar is the rightful owner of the Dragon Staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. Do you really think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to take a deep, permanent sleep.
Don't touch the fish. Stay away from the fish.
My baby!
Quick, everyone. Vicious mockery insults. Get it.
Terrible
My silver, I'll protect you.
Scroll to light. Let's go.
Nice slime buckets.
to wake up the dead!
Oh, spicy! Do we do it?
Yes. I've got the
Did
dragon
we
staff
okay?
here, and the wand is right there.
Foolish Throckary and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves?
Yes.
It was I, Lorelei Star Shadow!
I think this is a lie!
Nothing will stop me now.
Yes.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Light her up, baby!
Hey, Lorelei! The wand of Lady Wolf is yours!
Yes, we did it! Mission accomplished!
Where are your friends?
Oh, Evelina has friends. I'm speechless.
Speechless. When?
Never! All right, friends. We've got the dragon staff and the wand. You head out to the First Roll Tavern, and we'll take it from here. So long, fellow hoppers. Right this way.